All right, welcome to Kilowatt Hour on Levy channel. So if you've been following my channel, I did a video update. I did a video on what they call it, the TSB update for the battery preconditioning for my 2022 Kia EV6. And to set up the battery preconditioning, you will need to set up by using the navigation map on your the navigation on the Kia EV6. So what you need to do is you can search nearby POIs and hit on the EV charging station. So right now it is only showing me the one around my about 8.1 miles from me. So what I'm going to do is let's try this and see if it's going to change, because I believe I have to be around 30 miles or 30 minutes. So let me see if something is going to change. I know I already charged to 90%, but I was trying to see. I've tried a little bit before and it didn't work. So, but I believe I can hear something. So let me go ahead and let's see here. EV. Let me go back. Energy information and energy use. So right now the battery care is not showing anything, just electronic. But I believe it has to be within 30 minutes of the charging station. So what I will do is okay, so it just came on. All right, so it did come on. It just took a little bit. So my EV6, it is showing the snowflake, if you can see that. So it does work, and right now it is showing the battery care that it is using 5.60 kilowatt. So that's what you're going to use when you need to when you need to charge your car a little bit faster during the cold weather. So but yeah, that's the process that you will be doing. So let me know what you think in the comment section, if this is helpful for you, to you, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share the channel. So I will be posting more, posting a video about the charging preconditioning process at a DC fast charger. So I'll stay tuned for that. All right, thank you for watching. Bye bye.